My God, what is this, my God? Well, let's go, my friend. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Alright. Problem, my friend. We have a lot of water. Let's go, my friend. Right here, my friend. Okay, the water is red already. Okay, let's go. What is this, my friend? Let's see, my friend. Well, this is a double cabin. Very nice double cabin. Okay, stay there. Okay, next this one. What is this, my friend? Okay, let's see, my friend. Wow, this is rally car, my friend. This looks very nice, my friend. What do you think, my friend? What is? Okay, stay there. Wow, this is a tow meter, I'm sure, my friend. Check this out, my friend. Taram, yes. Tow meter.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
Well, he's going to towing a car. Well, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see, my friend. This is the big one, my friend. Alright, this is me queen. Okay, lighting me queen. Well, this is next, my friend. Wow, this is police car, my friend. Look. Okay, police car. Stay there. And what is this, my friend? Take a look of this. Dump truck, my friend. Alright, very cool dump truck. Okay, stay there. And what is this, my friend? Let's see, my friend. Woohoo, this is, well, check this out. This is a Tayo. Alright, green color, stay there, Tayo. Okay, what do you think of this, my friend? Check this out, my friend. Loader. Okay. Okay, what next, my friend? How about this one? Okay, let's see, my friend. Well, this is a long chassis truck, my friend. What next? Alright, this is fire rescue. Okay, what is this, my friend? Wow, Thomas.
Care of it. I've never carried a real live lion before.
When Cranky heard...
Good, Thomas. Okay, stay together. Wow, what is this? This is huge truck, my friend. Yes, this is a giant truck, my friend. Wow. What next? What next? This one. Ooh, boing. Wow. Hey. What is this? Okay, this is a sport car, my friend. Wow, so nice and cool. This is a Molen truck. Okay, this is, what is this, my friend? Oh, dump truck, my friend. And this one, this is a compactor, my friend. So strong and the big tire, my friend. Look at this. Okay, what is this? All right. Well, this is tire, my friend. Okay, Jane there, tire. Look at this, the last one. What is this? Ta-da! Rally car, SUV.
Short, can't say that much. Over 20 cars in the lead lap. We cannot take a chance on finishing 25th by running out of gas, so they had to come down.
Okay, done, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.